There's the Peregrine Falcon. It's really quite cool today. I'm surprised it didn't go away this year. They've been living there for like 7 years, 2 of them. I don't know where the female's gone now. I think that's the male. It could be the female. You can only tell when they're together really. But they're definitely adults, and I don't know if it's holding something. Looks like it. I did hear some crows just now, so I thought I'd put my camera on. It's definitely got some meat in its hand. You know, they are hands. I know they're feet and hands. So I mean, people think birds haven't got hands, but they have. They use their feet for their hands. So I think birds really are quite amazing, really, you know. But you think like ducks and some birds, alright, they can dive like a fish and swim like a fish, and they can also fly, which is something that I can't do. And they can walk, so they can do a lot more than people can do. I think birds can do, you know. They have got hands, but they use their feet. Yeah, I think that's a male. It looks big and strong. And this year, look, they had 3 chicks, but unfortunately one of them died. So I only ever saw 2 of them. And they flew off quite quickly, you know. Once they grow up, they do their own thing. The mother and father helps them so much, and then they're on their own. Probably living on a different castle somewhere now. And then this year they might have some more chicks. So I'm surprised they stayed. They'd stayed for the last 3 years. So maybe they sort of made it their home all year round. You can hear the crow. So the Peregrine Falcon's busy. Oh look, there's a magpie. Well, this might get interesting. This magpie will see got a Peregrine Falcon down there. Look, look the way he dived down there. There's the Peregrine Falcon. I don't know where the magpie went, but it looked like it dived down towards the Peregrine Falcon. So you never know, the magpie might come up in a minute, or a gang of them even, you know. Sometimes I often see a gang of them come up and they pester at the Peregrine Falcon. And the Peregrine Falcon gets quite upset by it all, and it often chases them off, you know. So there's a magpie somewhere there, and there's also a crow around. So crow and magpies are always fighting. Well, not fighting, but they're always up to tricks. They're always chasing each other, let's put it that way. Crows and magpies, I say. I don't know where the crow's gone though. I've not seen the crow yet, but I can hear it. So I don't think the magpie is going to come back up, unfortunately. So that's it from the Bird Lover Man. Have a good day, and love all birds, because they're amazing.